Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So, guess who got into the final 10 of the NYX Face Awards? This bitch. I honestly can't believe it. I thought when I did that crazy ass giraffe makeup look with the hands and everything, I thought, Steph, you messed up because it was kind of a different thing to incorporate my hands and everything like that. But here we are. So in today's video, as you can probably tell by the title, I'm going to be doing another NYX Face Awards makeup unboxing. They sent a massive box to my house today, and I just want to dive straight in it. Had a few sneak peeks, not going to lie, and the two things that I saw, oh my god, I have wanted to try for the longest time. But before I get into that, I just wanted to say, kind of on camera, a massive thank you to all of you guys that were so supportive on my weird giraffe makeup tutorial. I know it's not my usual kind of tutorial, and I know it was only like 90 seconds long, so I was really worried about posting it. But you guys were so nice. There were so many nice comments on it. I was getting DMs on Instagram, and I was getting loads of comments on my Instagram video. I mean, you guys are always so supportive on all of my other videos, so I don't really know what I was expecting. But this video, this random video where I turned myself into a giraffe and I drew random animals on my hands, there were so many nice comments. So I just wanted to kind of get on camera and say thank you. However, I need your help again because this round that I'm about to do is Punk Extravaganza. No idea what I'm going to do yet. Don't even ask me. I have no idea. But half of the vote is based on public votes. So on the 14th of May, after the entries have been submitted, I think it's the 14th of May. I'll put the actual dates somewhere up on screen, because now I'm doubting myself. But on whatever day I've put up on screen, the voting is going to open to the public, and I'm going to need your guys' help to help me get through to the final 5. You don't have to do anything just yet, and I will make sure I remind you plenty of times when the voting is open. But if you guys could help me, that would be great. Anyway, I'm sure a lot of you guys are just here for the makeup and the swatches, so let's dive in. So the first thing you see when you open up the box is a little note from NYX. It says, guess what? You made it through to the top 10. Yeah, we did. And it says the theme for the next round is Punk Extravaganza. Help. Then again, just like the last box, it just says when I should upload my entry video and all that jazz. And then yeah, it says at the bottom, after everyone has posted their top 10 look on the 14th of May, public voting will go live. 14th of May. I actually got the date right for once. And then underneath it just has a face chart that we can fill in as well. So the next things that I see in the box were these guys, which got me very excited. And I know this is going to sound so sad, but I've just run out of shampoo. And they've gone ahead and sent me a Redken shampoo. Not sure if I've ever tried this one actually. It's the Color Extend I can't speak. Color Extend Magnetics Gentle Color Captivating Care for Color Treated Hair. I like that. So in the last box, they sent us like heat treatments and things like that. So we've got a shampoo, and then we also have a conditioner to go with it. And then we have the No Blow Dry NBD Just Right cream. So it's just a kind of blow drying cream. Okay, I can get down with that. So shout out to Redken for hooking me up. Then we have makeup. Actually, no, we don't. What we do have is a bunch of NYX skincare. Now, I've tried this before. It's their micellar water, and it's so good. One of my favorite micellar waters, and it's a massive bottle. But then they've also sent me 3 other things from their skincare line that I've never ever tried before. So the first thing we have is the Stripped Off Cleansing Milk. Hello. I wonder if it has a smell. That sounds like a baby's butt. Then we have another stripped off product. Wait, are all of these stripped off? Yeah, so all of these are like the stripped off range. This is the Cleansing Salt Scrub. Oh, that sounds right up my street. Okay, that's got a lot of like grit to it, which I am living for. You know what? I'm going to try that stuff tonight. Then the other skincare product we have, which I'm not going to lie, I am most excited for, is this cleansing balm. I friggin' love cleansing balms. It's like, probably next to oils, it's probably one of my other favorite ways to cleanse. Oh my god, this is so oily, which I love. So then we'll move on to the makeup. Now, I'm not going to lie, I really don't know what they could give me that I don't already have. I've got pretty much, I'd say, like every single product from NYX now, from doing the last Face Awards and doing this Face Awards. So I'm curious to see what they've sent me. But then again, I know NYX come out with new products like pretty much every single week or something. So I'm sure they'll come up with something. This is what I saw when I first opened this box. I tried to make sure that I didn't look at anything else. May have had a few sneak peeks, but I saw this. And I'm going to show you why I'm so excited for this. So this is a Love You So Mochi. I always thought it was Mochi, but now thinking about it with the puns that NYX use, Love You So Mochi. I'm thinking it's maybe that. Let me know in the comments if you know how to pronounce this word. Is it mochi? Is it mochi? Is it something completely different? But basically, this is like a squishy highlighter palette. So this is what it looks like. And let's give it a squish. Oh my god. It's fine, it's fine. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is like a solid fingerprint there. Let me try again with this one. This is everything I ever dreamed of. But most importantly, let's see how these bad boys swatch, because I've heard good things. Okay, NYX are seriously nailing their highlighter formulas at the moment. Man, this middle one, and this one actually, like these two, kind of like the middle one on like the majority of my face, and then this one on like little sections of my face, like my nose, Cupid's bow, that sort of stuff. Let's put some on now. So I was just looking for my highlighter brush when I realized that they have sent me a ton of brushes. So let's see what we've got there. Maybe we can find like a highlighter brush there or something. All right, so we've got like an angled brush, kind of like an angled kabuki. Ooh, a nice kind of like dense fluffy brush. Then have, ooh, this is a good little smudger brush. Have a big fluffy powder brush. We've then got another little dense brush. Cannot get over how soft these are. We've then got like a kind of dense contouring brush, kind of. That's kind of what I think I would use this for. Another kind of like kabuki brush that's like slightly slanted. Can you guys see that? It's like got a full-on little curve to it. Got another kind of like dense packing brush. Fluffy brush. Definitely have a few of these. And I actually use this one all of the time in my videos. I get a lot of questions about it. So this is just a teeny tiny little packing brush again. Could be really good for cutting the crease, but I like to use these brushes for highlighting my inner corner, which I will definitely use that for in a second. Oh my god, what is this one? Does this not look like my Luxe Powder Fusion brush? The brush that I use pretty much every single day for highlighting. Let's do it. Although before I forget, they've also sent a few other brushes. We've got another kind of dense packing brush. Oh my god, I remember this one from last year. Again, another really nice highlighting brush. Just ding, ding, ding. And then we have another kind of like fluffy packing brush. And, oh my god, is this not the most perfect little pencil brush ever? Like, it's so tiny with the little tip. I'm gonna highlight my nose with this. Right, we need to give this guy a go. That's nice. That is nice. So I'm then going to take this more like icy color here on the pencil brush. So look, you can see. Can you see? Not sure if you can see, but it does just pick it up like a powder. Okay, let's put some on my nose. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, that was worth the wait. And it's friggin' squishy, for God's sake. So the next thing I saw, another one of the Mochi products. Mochi, I don't know. But this is the Love You So Mochi eyeshadow palette in the shade Sleek and Chic. Looks like that. Tons of like, just my kind of tones, let's be real here. Okay, wow. Look at that. Okay, that's going on the inner corner as well. Whoa. Like, I don't know if you guys can see on camera, and I'm not just making it up, but that is a friggin' intense inner corner highlight. I'm going to put some on my nose as well. Look at my nose highlight right now. I'm like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, but without the red, without the antlers. And then let's swatch a few more of like the metallic shades. So I'm going to do 3. So I think I'm going to pick this one here. So then I'm also going to try this kind of like, oh my god, this one felt pigmented. Like this coral shade. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay. I have nowhere to swatch this. So these two here on the outside are kind of like glitters, and then the center one here, the more coral shade, is more of like an actual shimmer. So then what we have in the box is a few more of their glitters. Now, I didn't realize last time that some of their glitters in the last box were like new, I don't know what they were called. I think they were like holographic glitters or something. What do we have here? These are metallic glitters. So we've got kind of like a coppery bronze shade here. This one here is Dark Side. It's kind of like a smoky navy almost. This is Style Star, and this literally looks like a black glitter, which I'm not going to put it on now. I was thinking, Steph, you should put it on now. Not going to do it just yet, but let me know if you want me to include this in a tutorial or something. And then this one we have here is in the shade Lumi Light, and it's just like this kind of like pearlescent glitter. I think NYX are telling me I need to do another glitter makeup look soon. Let me know what color you want me to do, and I'll get it done. So then, what have we even got here? Okay, I recognize these, and I love these. You guys may recognize them again. These are, I don't even know what they're called, but they're like their precision brow pencils. So basically on one side, you've got a spoolie, And then on the other side, you've got the actual product. So again, I'm going to have to do cutaways to show you guys, but I don't know if you can see just how thin that is. Like this does such good like natural brow strokes. So yeah, by the looks of things, I now have a ton of different colors, which I can get away with a lot of these colors. I think I can pretty much get away with everything apart from black. Maybe I could get away with black. And also like the blonde one. So thank you, NYX, for stocking me up on these bad boys. I love them. So then we've got a bunch of other liners. So we've got a load of like dark colors and a few metallics. So what are these called? Okay, these are the faux black. So in the last box I got the faux whites, which are like a bunch of like pastely white colors. So these are all just kind of like off black colors. Like this one is like a purpley black color. Okay, so we've also got some metallic eyeliners in here as well. So we've got like a kind of coppery color. So yeah, I've then got 3 other metallic ones. We've got like a silver, a gold, and then I think like a black gunmetal color. And then a few more shades from the faux black range. We've got like a burgundy, another purple color, a dark green. Kind of feel like I want to do a look based on this. And then we've also got like a burgundy, which I also want to do a look on. Yeah, I love the look of that. Like literally like one swipe. Speaking of NYX liners, I then have, I'm guessing, all of the That's the Point liners. You guys may remember I tried out some of these in a first impressions video, and they've literally become like one of my favorite liners. I always like the Epic Ink, which I still friggin' love, but these kind of have like different nibs. So the one that I like is the Hella Fine, which gives like the finest line you can imagine. So I love that. So then what I can see here, oh, we also have another one of the metallic liners. This is like another kind of bluey gunmetal color. And then what I have here are 2 eyeshadow palettes, which again, I don't actually have, but they literally come out with so many things. So I remember when these came out, this is the Cosmic Metals palette. And then we also have the Lingerie palette, which when I saw this, I was like, that is kind of me in a palette. I think everything apart from maybe this kind of like lavender shade, if I was to ever make a palette, I'm pretty sure all of these will kind of feature in that one palette. So let me just swatch this one quickly. So nice, just like a really nice matte. Love that. Definitely going to be using that for like an everyday look soon. And then we have the Cosmic Metals palette, which is just a bunch of different shimmers and like metallic shades. Let's swatch a few of these. You look nice. You're calling my name there. This one, and oh my god, that one is, love that. And then we'll do this kind of like goldy one down here. Bada bing. Bada boom, look at that bronze shade. So next is another product I haven't tried. It's the Always Keeping It Tight eyeliner. This one is in the shade brown. I can never open anything gracefully. Like, I'm that person that throws all of like the wrapping paper around the floor at Christmas. Okay, just the packaging alone on these have gotten me very excited because these are so slim. Oh my god, that is like a tiny liner. They're so creamy. I was expecting them to be waxy. Cannot get over how skinny that liner is. So next we have what I'm guessing is all of the Away We Glow liquid highlighters. I have one of these. I think it's in the shade Daytime Halo. Yeah, this one here. Daytime Halo. And I love it. It's such a nice highlighter. It kind of gives like a wet look almost. But yeah, they've also sent me like every other color that they do. So we have Rose Quartz. I will swatch a few in a second. We have Moonbeam. Definitely going to swatch that one. This one is Moon Glow. It's like a super icy one. We then have Liquid Prism. Oh my god, I can't wait to try these. State of Flux, which is like a super pinky highlighter. I'll give that one a go as well. And then we also have Golden Hour. We'll also give that one a swatch. Okay, so this is State of Flux, which is the more pinky one. Like, look at that. Look at it. And I don't even like pink highlighters, but I love. So then the one that I got most excited about is in the shade Moonbeam. Let's just see that there. Oh my god, yes. Yes. You know what? I'm actually planning on filming a full face of first impressions, but like a drugstore edition, and I think we're gonna have to put that on. So this bad boy is in the shade Golden Hour, and to me, it looks like it could be like a liquid version of the Fenty highlighter. Let me just like cover my entire body in this. This would look stunning on darker skin tones. Oh my god, and we have another one. This looks like my freaking color. So this one is in the shade Crystal Glare. Yes, thank you. Okay, maybe that's the one that's going to have to feature in my first impressions. So next, yes, we still have even more. What are these? These are the Strictly Vinyl eyeliners. So I'm guessing by the name, these are like shiny or something. Yeah, apparently these are like shiny liners. Okay, we need to swatch one of these. So they've sent over like a purpley color. I don't know if you guys can see that on the side of the box. We also have a like, kind of like a dark gray almost. We then have this like burnt orange, red kind of brick shade. This guy with just like a super bright purple and then like a dark brown. I want to swatch this one. So this one's in the shade Hazy. Where can I even put this? Let's put it there. Okay, I'm going to leave that to dry for a second and we'll see just how like shiny it is. So then last but not least, while we're waiting for this guy to dry down, we have... Oh my god, what are these? These are the liquid suedes, but they're the metallic version. I didn't even realize they did these. If you guys don't know, liquid suede is like one of my favorite drugstore formulas for liquid lipstick, so I'm very excited about these. I tried the soft matte metallic ones in the last video, and I actually kind of loved them, and I never normally like metallic liquid lipsticks. But I mean, they've literally sent over like 12, something like that. You can see all like the colors there. I feel like since it's pretty much the end of the video, I'm going to put one on. So this one here is in the shade Exposed. All right, let's do this. Not even going to swatch it. Oh my god. That is intense, man. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. I put it on, I was like, good job it's the end of the video, Steph, because you're going to look crazy. That's actually so nice. Who even am I these days? I've got like cool tone on the lid and a metallic liquid lipstick on. Who am I and what have you done with Steph? All right, so let's just check on how this liner is doing. Oh, it is shiny. Oh, I like that. I was expecting it to be like very, very latexy, but again, feel like I need to do a look with this. So you guys, that is everything that NYX very, very kindly sent me for the final 10 of the NYX Face Awards. Thank you guys so much. Once again, thank you all so much for the support on my last look. And yes, for those of you that are part of the Ham Fam, you know who you are. I will be doing another Instagram live when I do my next look, so stay tuned for that. I'll make sure I let you guys know in advance on my Instagram stories. So as always, if you guys did enjoy this video, then please do give it a big thumbs up because that really does help me out a lot. And subscribe if you don't want to see more of me because I upload all the damn time. But apart from that, that's it from me. I love you guys and I will see you in the next one. Bye.